Stone. Who this?
Government. All I jail them man, you see me? Let me run off the thing, you know.
Who this? The boss. Stone.
It's not gonna work. You know good. If inspectors come, nobody not gonna helmet or nothing. They're gonna shut down my site. Cause it doesn't make a bunch of thugs gather somewhere. But I see them thing they are talking about. You can get them in a toy store. How you can get them thing there? What the money where you see, them need to them on the gun. The thing come and say, or else the business not gonna be no business no more. The thing come and say.
Stone. Right man, for there after that. You see two boys over there up on the side. One in a slippers and one in a clocks. So them man will steal work. Wow.
Always side. I know work man them there.
Slippers. Them know over there again. Alright. Here we go. This money I help you. Right? Fine. I'm gonna need everybody to have helmet. If now live on the site and protect the site, everybody have to have helmet. And this not gonna work on the site, brother. So, everybody on the same page? They're on the same page.
It is our kind of style at Batman.
Yo, vicious. Cool him. It is. You see them two brother there. Look like them at time still. Look like two brother them running by the block the other day.
Couldn't tell you, the boy them have on mask. You see me? But man cannot tie steel in a slippers. Why you got them and dealing with them with them?
This is a two dead boy that.
Oi. Stone. It is. Put a leash on him.
Batman, how you really are needed?
Vicious! Let me tell you something. This is my site and the regular site. And this project we're gonna do are for low income people. So don't expect nobody if you're running, if you mess with that site here. And that goes for everybody. Because if you can't do it, I'm going to show you our real corporate bodies. Again, we want to work on the site. Everybody who was, I'm not for showing you the move.
Gentlemen, we have a very grave matter to deal with.